would like to share one experiment to you. And this is the card that I picked.
It's there in front of you.
Okay. Colorful meteor shower. And there's a note. Before we read the note, we will read the experiment materials and the experiment fittings.
Fittings.
These are the materials that we're going to read. Red, yellow, blue pigment, and also edible oil that we have here. And then clean water. Be careful it doesn't need to spill. Ensure that nobody is close. So
Okay.
we make it close.
Okay.
Everything close. No, this is not close. It should be close. Number 1. Open the take 300 ml water from the measuring cup. Well, we have to be careful.
Okay. I will help
This
you.
is our
Don't worry.
measuring cup. We have to be careful. We have to do this 4 times. Or, I mean 3 times.
2 times.
Or 2 times.
Yeah. Right?
300 ml.
Okay. Be careful. Don't spill the water. You reach until the top. I mean 150 ml. Oops. A little bit. A little bit. Okay. That's it. You pour it there in the letter D.
Letter D.
That's your first 150.
First 100. Where is it?
Okay, then another one.
Okay, that's putting on the top very fast. I need someone to hold it again.
Okay, I will hold it.
Remove the...
Sige.
Okay, my hand's just a little bit right there. 300 ml, I hope it's there. Oops.
So now you have 300 ml there.
Guys, I forgot we have to open the. Let's just open it now.
Okay, so it's
Whoa!
pouring over there. Okay.
Okay, 3,
Yeah. So
2, 1.
you got 300 ml already, right? And you need to do that how many times?
3 times. 2 times.
Okay, now you put more.
So that will become 600.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, that's it. Good job.
That's funny. Let's just wait for the water to go.
Okay.
Okay, let's just do this. Boom.
So it's filling up the
Filling up the knob.
number 5. Yeah.
Another 150 is still going.
That's your last one.
Look at that knob.
It's full of water now.
Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is right here. Okay, so pour 50 ml of edible oil. So we have the edible oil
To where?
into a dry measuring cup and drop 10 drops of red, yellow, blue pigments. Okay, so we have these. It's hard to open. There.
Fine, you did it. Oh, be careful.
How many drops is it?
Only
10.
a little bit. Okay, 1.
1,
Slowly.
2. Oh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look up there.
It's cute, no?
8, 9. Next color yellow. It's hard to open now. Yeah. Ah, it hurts my hand.
It's fine. I'll help you.
Yeah. I know how to open it.
It's there.
It's open.
Come on.
It's
Oh,
open.
sige, you can put the blue one if you want. Oh, slowly. One by one only, baby.
Wait. I'll just make this. Okay. 1. That's a big one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Look at those cute things beside
Cute
together.
pigments.
They're cute. They're cutie balls. Oh, what got in my hand?
It's fine. What's the next color? Blue.
Okay.
One,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
Oh, look at those cute balls!
Yeah. What's the next instruction?
Look at those cute. Look at those cute balls together.
It's so cute.
They're not going.
Yeah, because they're inside the oil.
They're so cute.
What's the next instruction? What do you need to do?
There's a lot. Oh, is there? This yellow. Okay, stir wet. Okay, I'll do the. I already know we have to stir.
Okay.
Why is this wet now?
Go.
Okay, let's see the pigments. Oh, look at the pigments.
Stir well for 15 seconds. 1, 2,
15,
3.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, they're splitting, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Look, they're splitting.
Yeah.
It's a meteor shower.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
What's the next one? What's
It's a
the
lot.
next thing to do?
After the water 4 completely flows into 5, slowly add the solution in the measuring cup to 5 along the funnel. After 10 seconds, enjoy the dazzling meteor shower.
Oh, you have to put it in the number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put it here. And
Mommy will
I'll
help you
put
na.
there. Let's see this.
Okay. I'm gonna put it inside now. You watch the number 5.
Okay.
What will happen?
Well, look at those pigments.
Yeah.
Wow!
happening?
Look at the meteor shower.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Where are the other colors? It's left here. It turned into green.
Let's try if we have this into pets.
Hmm?
Let's try if we have those into pets.
What?
Look at those meteor shower. It's still going. This will. These colors. Enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. I will love you. I'll see you. Bye. Peekaboo.